If you have ever tried to print a digital image, only to find the colors look dull or completely different from what you saw on your screen, you likely ran into a color space issue. Digital screens use RGB, but printers require CMYK. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert RGB to CMYK without needing expensive software like Photoshop. Whether you have one image or several, these methods will ensure your prints come out vibrant and professional every single time. If this video helps you save some time and ink, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's dive straight in. The fastest way to get this done is by using an online RGB to CMYK converter. This is perfect if you need a quick fix without installing anything. First, open your favorite web browser and search for an RGB to CMYK converter. You will find several reliable options like Convertio or dedicated tools on sites like Image Color Picker. Once you are on the site, simply upload your desired image. The tool will automatically process the file and shift the color profile from the screen-based RGB to the print-ready CMYK. Once the conversion is complete, just hit the download button to save your new file. It is that simple. Now, if you need more control over how the colors look, or you're working on a professional print project, you might want a more robust solution. This is where Photopea comes in. Photopea is an incredible free web-based alternative that essentially mirrors Photoshop functionality. To get started, head over to photopea.com. Once the interface loads, click on File and then select Open to upload your local image file. Once your image is on the canvas, go to the top menu bar, click on Image, then hover over Mode and select CMYK color. You'll notice the image data is instantly remapped to the 4-ink print standard. Finally, to save your work, go to File, select Export As, and choose your preferred file format like TIFF or high-quality JPEG. By following these steps, you avoid the high costs of subscription software while achieving professional print results. It's a game changer for anyone starting their design journey or working on small business print shops. Remember, always double-check your color profiles before sending files to the printer to ensure the highest quality output. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to support the channel by hitting that like and subscribe button for more creative software tips. Thanks for watching and happy printing.